Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about why the Worker Seagull is just so good. And in this video I'm also going to disassemble the blaster to show you some of the internals and change the spring to this huge spring that I bought from UK Airsoft, Britnoff.uk. This is a 1.6 on 300 millimeter spring, so it's kind of worn out. But it used to be able to shoot the gun. It was insane. It was like, I was worried that it was going to break, literally like tearing into two pieces. It was shooting 70 meters almost with not even aiming up. I don't even know what was going on then. That was the first 2 months of getting the gun. Then after that, it started like performing a little bit less, and now it's performing like normal enough. But I will still want to talk about the gun because it's just really good, and the design is beautiful. So if this is the configuration of your Worker Seagull, so you've got the iron sights, all you need to do is just take one of the two of the bolts out of the top rail, not those four. So I'm gonna go take out the front one and the front middle one, and then you take out the big bolts. Be careful the front not to fly out like a bird. Now just take the ally key that fits in the stock, the tiny one, and you unscrew. Oh, this rough is kind of blocking me. Oh, yep, there we go. Nice. Don't put them too tight, trust me. But you also don't want to lose them. Okay. Okay, one bolt out. Going for the second one. One, there we go. Whew. Come on. Kind of could get stuck. Go. Now go on the side bolts. Be careful to put your tiny bolts on the side so that you don't lose them, and also not mix them up. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, I really put that tight. Oh wait, I forgot. If it's too hard for you, put it like this. Then it's kind of hard like that too. Crap. Get moving. There we go. Nice. Nice and easy. So that's easy way how to do it, but you can't do that on the top because of the iron sights. Not yet. Make sure not to just tear it out. There we go. Oh damn, that got in there. There we go. Here's the bolt. And I'll put it on the table. Now we go on the next one. Get in there. Okay, here we go. Nice. Now the second one, you need to be doing it quickly because the gun wants to tear apart because of the spring inside that's cocked. Be able to hold the two parts of the two sides of the gun together. Come on, quicker. See, the gun's already tearing apart, kind of. Yep, you have to kind of hold it. Not the easiest process, as I said. Yep, there we go. Now this is out. Keep it close and oh, there we go. Nice. Now, because you took the top out, you might need to kind of struggle, but you will be able to take it out. Something stuck in the seam. The plunger. Yep. Oh shit. Take your mag out. That's really dumb mistake of me. Take the mag out. Take it out. Little Norwich SSP 18 sickle. Great pistol, but kind of old now. Wow. Take the mag out. Whew. Now next step. The plunger is in there. See, and you've got your spring. Spring will get stuck in there, but you just need to kind of tear it out. Not to take a lot of that lube out. Okay. Take this like that. Put the new spring, put the old one there. Don't need you. Now you can see here. Inside, you need to center it right. You see a little hole at the end. You need to get it nicely in there. Yep, there we go. See? Now we've got the Seagull. Oh wow, that's a harder fine. I'm gonna take a heavy dart, load it into my magazine, make that go in. Now let's see. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna test fire towards my testing fire box, and you better have seen that. Wow, this gun is shooting 220 FPS, 21 actually. So it's a much harder prime, but if you're strong, wow, that's amazing. So that's why this gun is so good. Another reason why I love it so much is because of this minimal stock. Now the Helio comes with an absolutely horrible stock, but this one is just so compact, and basically you put your head on the buffer tube, but I don't really care. It's just, and you also get a perfect image of these beautiful fiber optic green iron sights. So that makes it absolutely really nice way to shoot. Then if you've also got a scope, you could put it on there. For the Seagull, I wouldn't really use a red dot or anything. These iron sights, I've been testing them, and it hits the 10 of my target 9 times out of 10. So I really love them. This is my phone that I use it, like DMR kind of style. The gun looks pretty long with this magazine, but personally, 15 rounds is so much better than 10 rounds in a game. So that's why I like it like this. If you're just plinking, not really in games, I would recommend just to get 1 extra mag so that you have 2, including the one that comes with the gun. Otherwise, if you want to play, I would recommend at least 2 extra magazines. Because keep in mind, it's only 15 shots. It's not like Joe Blaster's 700 rounds in 1 magazine. So as we saw, the Worker Seagull with the 1.6 millimeter spring is a absolute blast. It's pretty hard to pull. LCO track, not bad, but it's worth that extra power in my opinion. If you're playing outside, definitely think about this upgrade. And if you want to use it like extremely regularly, the blaster with the high-powered spring, I would recommend to get that metal plunger. It's really worth it. Now, in the accuracy test, the gun was pretty consistent, but it had a few drops, as you saw, like 5 bullets who didn't hit the target. But trust me, that's not a user error. It's not the gun error. It's a dart error, because these darts I've been using in over 5 games. So some darts will drop. So that's why the accuracy test was a little bit more wild. Otherwise, that accuracy was actually pretty good from this blaster, just with iron sights. Think about it, like I'm aiming like this, and like, okay, let's see where that goes. Oh, that didn't fall. Oh, that one went high, that one went low. But overall, that was absolutely great from this blaster. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode.